Today, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Shein affiliate program in the United Kingdom. So if you're from UK or United Kingdom and you want to sign up for Shein affiliate program, well, I have some good news for you. It really doesn't matter where you're from, they're going to accept you, and we already have a video on our channel which you might as well want to check out about how to get accepted into affiliate program on Shein. And let's just take a look here about key features of Shein affiliate program, because high commission rates are one of the things that might actually drag you into becoming a Shein affiliate, as well as regular promotions, real-time tracking. It's not updated every 12 or 24 hours. It's actually real-time updation. We have diverse product range and easy to use tools. And it's straightforward. You just go over to their affiliate on uk.shein.com and that's it. You are now an affiliate. However, there's a small issue, which for me, it actually is an issue because, I mean, it's not really generally when you think about it, but when someone opens your link, they have 30 days for purchase it for you to get a commission on it. For example, if someone opens it at today, and then 30 days after, they don't purchase it, and then they purchase it on the 31st day. For example, they open up your link that you send them, and then they go ahead, sit on it for a month, and then, oh God, I actually want to buy this. They go on the 31st day. After opening your link, you will not get a commission. However, if they do it within the 30 days, then you will. That's, for me, maybe only the problem, but I don't know. It's about the cookie duration. But again, if they go open your link to go buy that product, then that's another story. So, okay. So it's just simple to become a Shein affiliate. And one of the things that I actually absolutely love about that is just the high commission rates. Pretty much that's it.